Welcome to the ADAS channel. In this video we'll talk about the bid-ask indicator. We'll explore what data it provides, what settings you can adjust, and how to use it to make more informed trading decisions. To add the indicator to your chart, open the Indicator Manager, go to the Bid-Ask, Delta, Volume section, select Bid-Ask, then click Add and OK. By default, the indicator appears below the price chart as a histogram above and below the zero line. Bids are shown in red, and asks in green. Simply put, green bars indicate that market buy orders are absorbing available limit sell orders from the order book, while red bars show that aggressive sellers are accepting the existing bids from buyers. For a more in-depth explanation of bid and ask and market mechanics, check out our previous videos or articles on the blog. You'll find the links in the description. The taller the green bar, the more aggressive the buyers were. Large red bars indicate strong seller activity. If you hover over the edge of a bar, you'll see the exact volume of trades executed at the ask and bid prices. Adding these two numbers together gives you the total trade volume, which is also reflected in the standard volume indicator. And if you subtract the bid volume from the ask volume, you get the value displayed by the delta indicator. Now, let's look at the settings for the bid-ask indicator. In fact, there aren't any. This is because the bid-ask indicator displays raw, unprocessed data directly from the exchange. In other words, it's pure market statistics. The only thing you can customize is the color scheme. If you want to include a moving average, you can add a separate moving average indicator. Just set bid or ask from the bid-ask indicator as the data source and select the same panel where the bid-ask indicator is displayed. Using the bid-ask indicator in trading depends on many factors, including personal preferences and chosen strategies. Typically, traders use it to analyze buyer and seller activity in relation to price movements. For example, let's take a tick chart, where spikes in bid and ask trades are particularly noticeable. Here, a surge in sell orders led to a price drop, and this area later acted as resistance, a common pattern. Traders using the bid-ask indicator could take advantage of this by entering short trades when price tested that zone. The same applies to bullish trading. A zone where an ask spike drives the price up often becomes a support level in the future. The same logic of effort versus result can be used in another way. If a surge in ask trades doesn't lead to a price increase, it's likely that the price is near a top. If the price doesn't drop after a spike in bid trades, it's likely near a bottom. To practice trading with the bid-ask indicator without risking your capital, download the ADAS platform for free. It comes with a built-in market replay simulator. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.